Hello guys, welcome back to another amazing video of this bike. This is Hero Sprint Pro and this is a fat bike and the collection. This bike name is Big Daddy. As you can see how this bike looks, the name goes very well with this bike. This is a 26-inch bike and the gear system, the derailleur system is from Shimano. Pedals are made up of metal, unlike other wherein you get plastic pedals, so they are really durable. You get decent good enough brakes, disc brakes, and the seating is also good. Tires are quite thick as they are supposed to be. The gear system is from Shimano, as I said, and they are from Tourney. Tourney is the variant for the derailleur. This is the gear system. This is for back derailleurs from Shimano, as it says, and this is the suspension, front suspension, which is 100 suspension. Badging is very clear, Big Daddy. In seat you get this quick release system via which you can adjust your seat height as per your requirement. Needless to talk about the welding quality, Hero Sprint Pro is known for their quality product, and the welding across this bike has been top notch. In front wheel you get this quick release system, but in back wheel you do not get a quick release system. The back wheel is a default kind of setup. This is how the overall bike looks, and the overall look wise it looks quite good, and the first appeal will make you feel it's a huge bike, but as in the wheel size is 26 inches only, but as in this is a bad bike, it looks quite huge. The color contrast is quite good. You can see this neon green and this matte black finish. It looks really good, and the kind of sport model what they want to show via this color theme, it is coming out really good. Here you can see couple of glimpses of this bike. That's it about this video guys. If you want to know anything else about this bike, please do let me know in comments. Thank you so much.